This is 2 kg homemade aloe vera Ayurvedic soap. Next I am showing how can make this Ayurvedic soap. Need these ingredients for making this soap. Introducing one by one. Take 1 liter coconut oil, 600 mg water, 300 mg talcum powder, 200 mg caustic soda, 40 mg perfume. This is green color powder. This is aloe vera leaf. It is good for skin and it is optional. If you need, just add it. In these ingredients, talcum powder is white color powder and caustic soda is like this. It is a chemical, so don't touch it by your hand. First time take water and caustic soda. Going to mixing water and caustic soda. Adding caustic soda to water. After that, mixing it by using a stick. It is a heat producing chemical process, so don't use aluminium bucket. During this chemical reaction, don't touch and don't breathe its smell that make injury to your health. You can see this plastic stick is also boiled. Please wait minimum 6 hours to set this solution. Next I am going to preparing aloe vera leaf. I am already told this, it is optional. Take a bucket for preparing soap solution. First I am mixing color powder and coconut oil. Mixing this color into coconut oil. Added 1 liter coconut oil. Again mixing color and coconut oil. Next adding aloe vera solution. Then mixing again. Next I am going to adding talcum powder. Again mixing. Next I am adding caustic soda to this solution. Do it carefully. Don't touch this solution by your body. Again mixing. At last adding perfume to this soap solution. Continue mixing. Use gloves for avoid touching from soap solution. This is soap mold. This type of soap mold is very costly. So I am making soap mold by using PVC pipe. After cutting PVC pipe, press and convert its round shape to oval shape. Again mixing before pouring to mold. Wait minimum 10 days for set this solution. Our homemade aloe vera soap is ready for use. "21 soap could be made." Next I am going to showing quality of our homemade soap. This soap is very good for our skin. Applying this soap, dirt goes well from our body.